Hi everyone, I will do the second paper. First question. A particle of mass 1 kg is subject to a force which depends on the force F bar is equal to minus k into xi cap plus yj cap kg meter per second minus 2. K1 k is 1 at a time t is equal to 0. Particle's position r bar is equal to 1 by root 2 I cap plus root 2 j cap meter, and its velocity is minus root 2 I cap plus root 2 j cap plus 2 by pi k cap. Let Vx and Vy denote the x and y components of the particle's velocity respectively. Ignore the gravity. When z is 0.5 meters, the value of x Vy minus y Vx is. You can observe this question at t is equal to 0 seconds. X comma y comma z terms they have given as, we can see 1 by root 2 comma root 2 comma 0. At time t, let us consider x comma y comma z terms are, you can take that as x comma y comma 0.5 meters. Okay. Similarly, you can take the velocities also. The same velocities we can write taken as Vx comma Vy comma Vz is equal to, we can write minus root 2 2 by pi. Similarly, at any time t, we can write Vx comma Vy comma Vz values can be taken as, in a similar manner, Vx Vy and this value is remain same 2 by pi. Why? Because they are giving along x and y components only. Okay. Now we can see that about origin, if you observe that at x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, force is 0. Torque also you can see that about origin, torque is 0. Torque is 0. If torque is 0, we can apply conservation of angular momentum about origin. Conservation of angular momentum about origin. About origin. Now apply this. Tau is equal to, you know that L bar is equal to m into r bar cross v bar. As m is 1, we can write r bar cross v bar we are going to apply initially and finally. Initial vector and final vector we are applying. Let us consider that initial values here. Initial values are I cap, j cap, k cap. Initial r bar values are 1 by root 2, root 2, 0. Initial velocities are minus root 2, 2 by pi. This should be equal to, at any time t, I cap, j cap, k cap. The values are, we can write it as x, y, 0.5. The values of velocities are Vx, Vy, 2 by pi. Now do it. I cap into root 2 times 2 by pi minus 0 minus j cap into 1 by root 2 2 by pi minus 0 plus k cap into 1 by root 2 into root 2 minus root 2 into root 2. That should be equal to I cap into, that is I cap into y into 2 by pi minus Vy into 0.5 minus j cap into x into 2 by pi minus Vx into 0.5 plus k cap into, you can write x into Vx minus y into Vx. Let us observe this carefully. According to question, you need to calculate the x Vy minus y Vx. Means this thing is there only along z axis. Along z axis. Equate that two. If you equate this, 1 by root 2 into root 2 minus root 2 into root 2 plus 2 is equal to x into Vx minus y into Vx. So we can write x into Vx minus y into Vx value is equal to 3. According to question, they are asking what is the x Vx minus y Vx value. We can see the value is 3. Same expression if you can do in other way also, like here minus kx along x axis minus ky along y axis. By using SHM form also we can do it.